Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reboot Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. Okay, so to reboot this device we need to open up the power menu, and we do it by clicking the power button and volume down button at the same time. Actually, we need to hold them for like 1.5 seconds, something like that, and now the power menu launched. And now all we need to do is to simply tap on the restart button, tap once again. Now you can see that Samsung logo disappeared, and within a few seconds our device will be automatically turned on again and it will be ready to use. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.